In my YouTube channel play and the rate the target latest game available now. So just I tell you to be completed to be 1 meter deep, 200, 400, 700, 1200, 1800, 2000 and 2500 meter depths available now. So just I tell you be carefully completely watching my video and be carefully watching now because I will be explain you how to be completed to be these depths. Many of people sometimes not to be understand what I am saying to you, but I request you be carefully completely watching my video and don't skip my video, then you will be easily understand now. And I hope you will be enjoy my video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. So guys, I'm be download this game and you will be completely watching my video now. Parrots treasure game available now and play. I will be click on play and to be completely watching my video and how to will be completed to be for this game worlds. Okay guys, let's see. I captain one hour full world. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, like when you will be starting this game and some of thinking I am telling to you because some people sometimes not to be understand how to be completed to be this game depth. So I will be explain you how to be completed now because everything so much easily now not to be have problem. Okay guys, because I'm be explaining you everything to be truly and I hope you will be enjoying now because some of people sometime will be coming and like be he can't understand how to be completed to be the depth and he like be earn queen and purchasing that, but this is not good because first of all when you will be coming here on this game and you will be first of all you will be purchasing something and here be see a glowing team that the rare lords here be also to be x3 ads options available and before you every ads watch video will be watching now only 30 seconds you will be three time like be more than more queen you will be earn just only one x3 ads you will be watching now. Okay, so first of all when you will be come on this game and you will be first of all purchasing like be bigger chest. This time I have like be sorry 140, so I will be purchasing more 15 you checking now. Okay, okay guys, and I'm also to be more purchasing now. You check now 20. This time I have like be more I want to be bigger chest I will be purchasing now. So before I will be treasure depth I will be purchased now. Okay, you check now. And because everything so much easily now but sometimes people not to be understand how to be completed to be this game meter depth, but you also to be first of all a bigger chest you will be purchasing now because then you will be so easily earn coins so much fast because always people something not be telling to you something, but I will be explain you how to be completed to be this game meter depth. Okay, you will be watching x3 ads. Okay, you checking out this time I have 5000 I will be earn quick coins just only I watching one of ads. So this time I have more depth I will be purchasing now. Okay, so 70 meter I will be purchasing and slow first of all I tell you when you will be coming on this game you will be easily purchasing everything, not to be hard, only you will be watching my video completely then you will be understand know how to be completed to be this meter depth because always you will be watching no and sometimes you will be not understand, but I tell to you first of all bigger chest you will be purchasing then you will be starting like be purchasing depth now. Okay, And before you don't to be skipping like the X3 watch ads, because some people sometimes not to be watching, then he can't receiving anything. But you will be when starting this game and your internet, mobile internet data every time active, no, not to be offline, because if you internet offline, so then you will be not to be receive your reward. This talking I'm tell to you, then you don't tell me, Saddam brother, I'm not receive my reward. What are you telling on comments? And I have not received my reward. So but I tell you already to you will be purchasing or also to be your active your internet data. Okay, so I hope you will be enjoy my video, and please request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.